Are you sick of blonde blindness? In today's video we're going to change that. Hello, my name is Oliver. I'm an education expert from Austria, Vienna. And this is my today's model, Cara. For today's look, I'm going to focus on the spots where the natural sunlight hits her head. So the focus points will be when she does a bun, in the face framing area, also in the nape area and everywhere around her swirl. In the end, everything should look blonder than it is now, but with more dimension and with a luxurious result. For my highlights, I will use Vario Blonde Plus. I will mix it with 1.9%, 6 volume at the beginning, just to make sure I have enough time while my processing is done. I will go up then to 3%, 10 volume, just to make sure the time is enough to rinse out everything evenly. I also would like to brighten up her ends. I will use the same mixture, but I will change up the mixing ratio. I will use 1 part of bleach and 4 parts of lightener. As a low light, I will work with Blonde Me Glow Toners 7-01 and 8-14. And I will mix that up with 7 volume. The ratio is 1:1 with the 2 shades and 1:1 with the developer. Right now I will start sectioning and be back with you in a second. As you see, I separated the front from the back, and I also separated the highest part of the head. And I will work my way up in diagonal sections, and I will go slightly more horizontal towards the way up. My first section will be a highlight, 2 developers, 2 mixtures, 1 with high percentage at the natural roots and 1 with another mixing ratio, more developer, less bleach. I will change every now and then from a weaved highlight to a slice. Every 2 to 3 sections, I'd like to do a low light. As you can see, I finished with the back of the head, and now it's time for the top of the head. I always did 1 low light, not going all the way through, but working in a horizontal line, but also used a little teasing technique just to make sure everything is smooth and blended. And as these sections are getting bigger, I will work in a brick pattern. So I will not work in 2 packs, but in 3 at a time. And as I'm working up, it will be 2 again, and at the very end, it will be just 1. And all this will be my low light again. Directly on top of that, there will be my highlight again. Brush it out to the other side, just to make sure it's easier for me at the backwash. 1 part of bleach and 2 parts developer. I still work with 1.9%, 6 volume, and in a ratio 1:4. And I will repeat that until I'm ready with the top of the head. As you can see, I finished with my top section, and in the meanwhile I was checking and the processing time was good enough, and you see I have a super clear result. That's why I washed off the half head of the back side, and now I can start at the front again. What I love to do is comb through all of the hair and then brush towards to the face all of these short hairs out. I love to start with 1.9% developer at the hair contour, because hair is super fine here and lightens up very quickly. Next foil is still a super fine one, also a full slice. But on this one, I'm going to go back and start teasing again, just to make sure everything blends nice into each other. And now I'm weaving and back combing. And with this pattern, I will go through all of her hairline just to make sure there's enough brightness, but still all seems very natural. I will just wait for the last processing time in the front, and I will be back with you with the toning. So now we're ready with our foils, and now comes the last part, toning. I'm mixing Blonde Me Glow Toners 9.5-41 with 10-51. 4 parts 9.5-41 and 1 part 10-51. And here we are back again with my beautiful model Cara. the dimensional flow of highlights and lowlights melting into each other and giving her this expensive looking blonde. Just a quick recap. We did foils with 2 versions of lightness, a stronger one on the natural hair and a softer bleach one on the mid-lengths and ends. In between every highlight we had also a lowlight. These are crucial for this look. And last but not least, the toning. Here we decided for a neutral, cool tone, which suits her especially for her skin tone. For more information, check the info box and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.